Hello students, in this video we will learn about how to convert word equation into chemical equation. So how do we convert word equation into chemical equation in chemistry? The important rule we need to follow when convert word equation into chemical equation is therefore the elements in this equation we are going to use atomicity, and for compounds in this equation we are going to use valency. So for elements it's atomicity, and for compounds that is valency. So consider this word equation. Hydrogen plus oxygen gives water. So what is hydrogen? Hydrogen is an element. So hydrogen is an element, oxygen is an element in this equation, and water is compound. So when expressing hydrogen, we should not just write H. That is the symbol of hydrogen. So we have to use the symbol, but we also need to use the atomicity of hydrogen. Why? Because we are going to represent each of the substance in its molecular form. And one molecule of hydrogen is representing as H2, because the atomicity of hydrogen is 2. So we should remember representing one molecule of hydrogen. So similarly, oxygen symbol is O, but what is one molecule of oxygen? It's O2. So oxygen is also atomicity 2. And how do we represent water? The water symbol is H2O. But why is the symbol? Why is that symbol? Hydrogen has a valency of 1 and oxygen has a valency of 2. So valency of hydrogen is 1 and valency of oxygen is 2. So we are using crisscross of this valency. So we will get H2O. So for compounds, we know the elements combine according to valency. So one molecule of water is represented by H2O. So what is the important thing is here, all the substance we are converting into its molecular symbol are representing one molecule of its. And for elements we are using atomicity, and for compounds, remember, that is valency. Let us try the rule with the next equation, that is, which is sodium plus chlorine gives sodium chloride. Now sodium is an element, chlorine also an element, and sodium chloride is a compound. So for elements we use atomicity. So sodium symbol is Na. And you may know that what is atomicity of oxygen is 1. And because all metal have the atomicity of 1, sodium is a metal. And chlorine symbol is Cl. And its atomicity is 2. So one molecule of chlorine we represented as Cl2. And since sodium chloride is a compound, so we need to use valency. So we know the valency of sodium is 1 and valency of chlorine is also 1. So if you do crisscross, what will get? Na. Now you get the compound formula is NaCl. So that is the molecular formula of sodium chloride. So this is the important trick. Very simple to convert a word equation to a chemical equation. Write the molecular formula based on whether it's an element or compound. Remember, for elements use atomicity, and for compounds we use valency. Thank you.